Today we are going to solve this problem, LeetCode problem 27, remove element. So what is the problem? So we are given an array. So in this problem we are given a nums of array and a number value. So our job is we have to remove all occurrence of value from the array in place. Okay, and return k, which is a count of element that are not equal to value. There are two important things we have to do it in place. No new array was allowed, and the first k element of the array should contain all the elements that are not value. So we do not care what happened after index k. Okay, so let's see. We have the example nums of array 3 2 2 3 and the value is 3. So we need to remove all 3. Okay, our k is 3, so we have to remove all these 3. So I have to return 2 2. Okay, we have to remove this 3. If our value is equal to 2, then we remove this 2 and our array look like this 3 3. Okay, so let's see. 3 2 2 3 and the value is 3, so we need to remove all 3. So 3 are, wait, 0 1 2 3, 3 are at index 0 and at index 3. So after removing we are left with only 2. So the first two elements should be 2 2. Okay, so the answer is 2 2 only. See here, the answer 2 2. So the underscore means we do not care what is there. Okay, so we have to return k is equal to 2. Then let's take another example. If we have nums of array 0 1 2 2 3 0 4 2, so and the value is 2, so we need to remove all 2. Okay, we have to remove all these 2. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 are at index 2 3 and 7. So after removing we left with only 0 1 3 0 4. Okay, so that is 5 element. So the first 5 elements should contain so the k, we have to return k is equal to 5. So see, one important thing is what those in one place means we cannot create a new array and copy element. We have to modify the original array only. So the problem is we have to remove all. If the value is 3, we have to remove this 3. In this array we have to remove what is the value integer. We have to remove that integer from this array. Okay, so we have to do it in original array. No new array was allowed, so the first k element should contain all non-value element. So we have to return k, the count of non-value element. So let's take one example. So we have nums of array 3 2 2 3 0 1 2 3 and the var is 3. So nothing, what could I do by hand? So the simple is I could just go through every element and ask this element is equal to 3 value. So if yes, if no, what we do, we keep it. If yes, we remove it. So non value elements are 2 2. So and we want them at the front. So what our answer is look like 2 2. Okay, k is equal to 2. Now think, how do we do this in our code without a new array? This is a very similar to move zeros problem we just did. So we use two pointer left and right. So if we have array, see, left is equal to 0 and right is equal to 0. Okay, left always point to the position. Left always point to the position where the next non-element should go. Right scan every element one by one. So the rule is if right find an element that is not equal to value. Okay, so place it at left, then move left forward. If right find an element that is equal to value, just keep it, only move right forward. Okay, at the end, left tell us how many non-value elements we have. That is our answer. Okay, let's do left is equal to 0 and right is equal to 2. See, left is here and right is here. Okay, right is equal to 0 and the element is 3. So is 3 is equal to value? So 3 is equal to value? Yes. So what we do, we skip it. Okay, we move right forward. Now our right comes here at index 1. Okay, next left still at index 0 only, waiting for non-value element. Right is equal to 1 index and the value is 2. Okay, right is equal to 1 and element is 2. So is 2 is equal to value? No, we keep it. So we place, see what we do, we place nums of right at the nums of left. So see, and nums of right is equal to nums of left, and nums of 0 is 2 now. Okay, now our array look like this: 2 2 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Now we move left forward, left comes here and right comes here. So left is equal to 1, now left is equal to 1 and right is equal to 2. Okay, so right is equal to 2, the element is 2. So is 2 is equal to 3? No, we keep it and place nums of right at nums of left. Okay, so say ms nums of left is equal to nums of right. So nums of 1 is equal to 2 now. Okay, so now our array is look like this: 2 2 2 3. Now array looks same only, but left has moved: 0 1 2 3. So move left forward. Now left comes here and right comes here. We have to move right also forward. So now the right is at index 3. So the element is 3. So is 3 is equal to value 3? Yes, we skip it. So we move right forward. It was out of bound. Here our loop will stop. So end of the array, here it will stop. So the final array is 2 2 2 3. Okay, so first k left is equal to 2. Okay, so element our answer is 2 2. We have to return k is equal to 2. Now so we just did a dry run. Now let's convert exactly what we did into code line by line. Okay, so see, let's do one more time: 3 2 2 3 and the value is 3, 0 1 2 3. So in first we have to place left pointer at index 0. We have to place left pointer at index 0. In our dry run, left start at index 0. Left is waiting for the next non-value element. So in code we write int left is equal to 0. So next do go through every element. Okay, so how we write: for int right is equal to 0, right is less than nums dot size and right plus plus. Okay, so say we have done in our dry run, we check right found a non-element. So see, right is become 0, element is 3 equal to value, so we skip this. When right become 1, element is 2, so 2 is not equal to 3 value, so we keep it. And when right is become 2, element is 2, so not equal to value, so we keep it. Then right become 3, right comes here at index 3, and the element is 3, so it was equal, so we will skip this. Okay, so what we do, if nums of right is not equal to value, see here, see, if nums of right is not equal to value means, see, in our diagram right is equal to 1 and left is equal to 0. Okay, so nums of left, no, see here, nums of left is equal to nums of right, so nums of 0 is equal to 2. Now before our array look like this, 3 2 2 3, and after it's look like this, 2 2 2 3. So how can we write, we place the non-value element at the left position. So in code we write nums of left is equal to nums of right. Okay, now we have to see, then we have to move left forward. Okay, so in our last time diagram, after placing element at left has moved forward. So at, see, at right is equal to 1, left went from 0 to 1. When right is equal to 2, left went from 1 to 2. So how can we write in code, left plus plus. Okay, then last we just written left. So this line is waiting for non, wait, so this line is waiting for next non value element. Okay, then this is a row here. If nums of right is not equal to value means, see, for you and found a non value element. Okay, then nums of left is equal to nums of right means we have to place it at left position, position. Okay, then move left, we have to move left forward, move left forward. Okay, so then what we do here, if see, if value do nothing, right moves word automatically. Okay, then we have to return the left. Okay, so here left is our k. That's it. What happened? Oh, sorry. Left, right, So see, every single line of code is exactly what we did step by step in Raidan. Nothing new, just Raidan written in code language. That's it. So let's trace. Wait. Let's trace through every line of code with new example. Okay. Let's take new example. 0 1 2 2 3 0 4 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now the first line of code is left is equal to 0. Here, see, left is equal to 0 means left start from here at index 0. Okay, now right is also equal to 0, so right also start from here, the element is 0. Next, if nums of right is not equal to value means is 0 is equal to value 2, value, our value is 2. Okay, value is 2. What we do, we check here, is 0 is equal to value 2? No, so non-value founded. What we do, a new nums of left is equal to nums of right, so nums of 0 is equal to nums of 0. It was in same position, nothing will change. Okay, so left comes here, left move forward, so left is equal to 1. Okay, now left is equal to 1 and right is equal to 1, so right also comes here. Then right is equal to 1 and the element is 1, so this line will run if nums of right is not equal to value. So is 1 is equal to 2? No, it was non-value found. So what we do, nums of left is equal to nums of right, so nums of 1, now nums of 1. Okay, same position, nothing will change here also. So left go forward, now left become 2, left comes here, and right also move, right comes here. Okay, then see, now right is equal to 2, the element is 2. So this line will run. So is 2 is equal to 2? Yes, we skip, so left stay at index 2 only. Okay, now right comes here at index 3, so here right comes at index 3 and the element is 2. So is 2 is equal to 2? Yes, so we skip this also. Now right comes here at index 4, now right is equal to 4, at index 4 the element is 3. So is 3 is equal to 2? No, non-value found. What we do, nums of left is equal to nums of right, so nums of left is what? 2, so nums of 3 is 3. What we do, nums of 3, now our array look like this. See, before our array is looking like this, now our array look like this: 0 1 3 2 3 0 4 2. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now left plus, so left move forward at index 3, left comes here and right comes here. So see, right is equal to 5, the element is 0, so nums of right is not equal to value. So is 0 is equal to 2? No, it was non-value found. What we do, nums of left is equal to nums of right, so nums of left is 3, value is 2. Okay, nums yes, it's 0. Okay, so before 0 1 0 0 1 3 2 3 0 4 2, before and after it's look like this: 0 1 3 0 3 0 4 2, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now left move forwards, so left is equal to 4 and right is equal to 6. Okay, right comes here. So the right is equal to 6 and the element is 4. So what we do, we check is 4 is equal to 2. No non value found. What we do, nums of left, 4 is equal to 4, 0 1 3 0 3 0 4 2. Now and our array look like this one is 0 1 3 0 4 0 4 2, same. Okay, now left move forwards. Left comes here at index 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and right comes here. Okay, so is 2 is equal to 2, yes, we skip it, left stay at index 5 only, and right is equal to 8. So end of the array, loop stop here. Now return left means 5. Okay, so k is equal to 5. So the first 5 element of the array is 0 1 3 0 4. Okay, so we moved all 2's and we have 5 non-value element. It was correct. That's it. So the time complexity is big O of n and the space complexity is big O of 1. Yes, so the time complexity is big O of n, right, visited every element once, and the space complexity big O of 1, only one extra variable, and it was left is equal to 0. That's it.